Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up the JotForm thank you page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a thank you page in your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that after one of your users have submitted your form or submitted their information, generally you're going to want to redirect them to another URL or show them a thank you page that's going to give them their lead magnet. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my JotForm and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a thank you page for one of your JotForms, it's handled on the form level. It's not handled on the account level. So you're going to have to set this up for each one of the forms that you have. So first on the left, you're going to click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the JotForms you've set up. You can see I just have two. So choose the one that you want to set a thank you page for. So for example, this one, and when you hover over it, it's going to turn purple, and you're also going to see these three buttons, but click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be brought to the JotForm form builder. Now, in order to set up the thank you page after somebody submits this form, you're going to click on settings here on the top center. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on thank you page. It has a check mark next to it. Okay, guys, so here is where you can set up the thank you page. So after somebody submits this form right here that we're working on right now, you have two options. They can see a thank you page, which is what we have here, or you can redirect them to an external URL. So for example, if this is an affiliate program, after they submit the form, you would redirect them to your affiliate link. So all you're going to do is just enter in the URL here, or maybe you're going to route them over to your blog. Now, if you just want them to have a link and then also a thank you, you can click here and you can design this. This is basically like setting up a Facebook page. If you don't like this, you can go ahead and delete it, and then you can go ahead and type in what you want. Thanks for your information. I have all your data. Okay. And then here you can go ahead and increase the size of the text. So let's do 24. And then here we can go ahead and add a link. So we can just link and then we'll highlight it and then hyperlink it. So let's do yahoo.com and then the text to display. And then do you want it to open up in the same window or a new tab? Usually I'll do a new tab and then okay. Okay, so now there is a link. And then if you need to add contact information, you can do that, or a Zoom link here. Or you can do a link to PDF download. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then you can click on publish, and now it's going to be published. So now anytime somebody goes to my form right here and they submit their information, they will see my thank you page. So it'll be redirected. So first they're going to see the JotForm, fill out the information. Once they click submit, they're going to see this page right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a thank you page in your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.